How to make a video from photos on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, tap on the plus icon at the top. Then, select Reel. From here, you can choose photos or videos from your camera roll to create a reel. Tap on Select Multiple. Select the photos that you want and then tap on Next below. You can add an audio if you want from the recommended audios. Tap on Next again. Here, tap on Edit at the bottom left corner. Now, edit the length and timing of your reel. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can also edit the reel as you like, such as adding stickers, text, and many more. Then, tap on Next below. Once you're here, tap on Share Now at the bottom to share this reel on Facebook. You have now successfully shared this reel. Following these steps, you can easily make a video from photos on Facebook.